New Porsche Taycan GTS, a skid pan, a racetrack and a road drive planned. I reckon today is shaping up to be a pretty good day behind the wheel. Now this is the new Porsche Taycan GTS. It's the Australian launch of this vehicle. And the question that we're going to try to answer today is whether the GTS specification is still our pick of the Taycan range. It usually is with any Porsche product. So let's get behind the wheel and find out. The Taycan GTS is almost right in the middle of the Taycan range and starts from $241,900 before on-road costs. The most affordable Taycan starts from $159,700, while the range-topping Turbo S starts from $352,600 before on-road costs. Sharp pricing is one of the reasons we've always claimed that the GTS is the pick of the range. There's a permanent magnet synchronous motor on both axles for a power output of 380 kilowatts up to 440 kilowatts with the Performance Battery Plus. Maximum torque with the Performance Battery Plus is 850 Newton meters. Taycan GTS is fast. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour takes just 3.7 seconds, and it's capable of an 11.8 second quarter mile. Porsche claims 485 kilometer range. Taycan is a high-quality four-seat tourer with a cabin that is as clever as it is comfortable. If you've got super tall occupants up front, second row space is tight, but even the sloping roofline doesn't eat into headspace as much as it looks like it might from the outside. There's a useful 366 litres of storage on offer in the boot, and you can expand that by folding the seats down. 20-inch wheels are standard, along with tyre pressure monitoring, tinted LED matrix headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System, privacy glass, 18-way adaptive sports seats with memory, 16.8-inch curved display, Porsche Connect with Apple CarPlay and a high-resolution central 10.9-inch touchscreen. We've had the opportunity to drive the Taycan GTS on track, and we've also had the opportunity to drive it on road, and while it is incredibly fast on track and surprisingly capable and balanced, because don't forget, this is a heavy electric vehicle, or relatively heavy electric vehicle, it's easy to forget that its primary focus is not necessarily to go fast on a racetrack. That's where it differs from something like the 911. And while it's so capable on a racetrack, it is impressive at how at home, I guess it is, on Australian roads. I'm on a typical rural or country B road that you get out of any of the major cities in any of the states around Australia. And this thing is just comfortable, relaxed, it's effortless. Obviously it's quiet, being electric you expect that, but it's the bump insulation and the bump absorption that to me is so impressive. It rides beautifully and it's completely unfussed by the road surface beneath it. So if you're looking at buying an electric vehicle, if you're thinking about buying one with longer distance touring in mind, this will absolutely do that job as easily as it does the run around town. And I think the fact that this still sits right up at the very top of the best electric vehicles on sale, regardless of platform, is impressive. It's testament to the engineering that's gone into the vehicle in the first place, and crucially, keeps on impressing us. But GTS, well, that's the spec to have. Well, it's hardly breaking news to say that the Taycan GTS is an impressive vehicle. We expected it, and we always do, of any vehicle that's got a Porsche badge on the front of it, and this is very, very capable. I'm genuinely staggered, and I know I've said this before in video reviews when we've driven these on track, at how capable this vehicle is. It's unbelievable how fast it is, how balanced it is, and how easy it is to drive quickly, given the fact that it's electric and it weighs as much as it does. Crucially, I think we've also answered the other question that we posed at the start of the video. Which one is the pick of the range? Well, of course, if money's no object, you probably just buy the Turbo S and you live happily ever after. But if you want to know which one is the smart money pick, it's this one. It's the Taycan GTS. As always, hit like if you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on subscribe so you stay up to date with all of our latest video content. And the full written review of the new Taycan GTS is at Drive.com.au.